Okay, so one of the things that the roof maintenance and roof saver program do is when we come up here, all this loose granule and all this trash, we're actually going to come up here and remove this. You don't want this piled up on your roof trapping moisture, and you can see it all the way down the edge of this roof. All that needs to be swept up and cleaned off. That's part of the roof saver program. That piece of pipe needs to go off. Any debris gets removed. Okay, so here's another. You can see that this stand belongs here. It's come unsecured from the roof, so that means it's moving around. So what we'll do is we'll reset this, and then James is going to go down and get some sealer. We'll actually seal this back to the roof so that it stays in place. Same thing with this one. It's come unsecured. They move around, the wind blows them, they get to bouncing around, and then you end up with this. So you've got this one that it's come off the roof, it's come off of here. It needs to be reset and sealed, so we'll seal it down. Then we're also going to notice that this pipe has a crack in it. So this needs to be addressed by the plumber or the HVAC guys. They've got a crack in their pipe. Chances are that crack came from the fact that these were missing. So these all need to be secured, and we'll put a little sealer up here and make sure they're tight before we leave. But that's what you get with the Roof Saver program. We clean the debris, we inspect thoroughly everything, pitch pans, pipe stands, PVC pipe. You've got drain issues on this HVAC unit over here. We're going to indicate that you have to get the HVAC guy up here to do that, or you're going to have water coming in the building versus being on the roof. James is taking pictures of that. Again, that's what the Roof Saver is. We come out here, we photo document, we remove the debris. If there's a big repair, we're going to notify you of it and tell you we need to give you a bid on it and make the repair.